Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Susanita Afi. For today's video, it's a hair plus makeup tutorial. I will show you guys in details how I conceal my acne and also a few steps I added to my makeup routine. You guys keep on watching. First, I'm going in with a primer just to prime my face. This one is from Classic Makeup Perfect Mattifying Primer. I'm just going to apply it all over the areas where I sweat a lot. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm just going to use this like a first shade, like to hide my acne, to conceal my acne. Next, I'm using the black Opal Creme Stick foundation in the shade Nutmeg. This is going to really help me conceal every dark spot, every acne. It's going to properly hide every blemishes. You guys, you're going to see. I'm just applying it all over my face, just mixing it together. Now I'm just spreading it properly, applying it with a brush. My face, I'm using my favorite Fair or Powder palette, just to contour my face. You guys just ignore that patch what is just up there. I tried something else but it didn't work out well, so I'm just going to contour my face using the Fair or Powder palette. Like I told you guys, I want to try something different. I'm just using a powder palette to like contour my face. Yes. I'm just using a smaller brush, like properly define my nose area because I am not applying any eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go in a little bit deeper to like set my upper eye area and my brow bone area properly. Brush to like blend it. You know, when you're doing makeup, it's all about blending and blending and blending because blending is key. So I'm just blending it all in. For baking, I'm going to be using Zikel Cosmetic Foundation Palette. I'll be using one of the translucent powder just to set my face. Oh no, you guys. Well, I'm going to try another one and just like arrange the face properly. So I'm just also going to blend it with another color, which is more darker. So I'm just going to blend all in, and this really gave me the look I wanted. It really blended out well, as you guys can see. Of my nose and my cheekbones and somewhere around my forehead, I'm just going to be using this no name highlighter. You guys, there is no name on it, but I like it, so I'm using it. For blush, I'm going in with Romantic Beauty. It's a pink like, as you can see. I'm just going to apply it to give you that mix effect. Guys, you know I love setting spray, so I'm using the NYX matte finish setting spray. To line my lip, I'm using Davi's Cosmetic Wood Lip Liner Pencil. I'm just going to use it to define my lip properly. Topping it with a translucent powder just to give it a matte-like look. Just to create some definition around my lip, I'm going to use True Self 24 Hours Matte Lipstick in color purple. Just like play around my lip a little bit so it doesn't look boring. For my under eye, I'm using Fanatic 3-in-1 Jumbo Pencil. I really love this. For my eyelash, I'm using the MAC Studio 3-in-1 Mascara. To line my eyes, I'm using Catrice Cosmetics Calligraphy Eyeliner pen. I'm just going to use it to give my eyes that extension. For glitter, I'm using Blossom Glitter Glue, and this glitter that I have here, it's actually for nails, but I find the color really nice and I decided to try it for my eyes. So you guys, I'm just going to apply it carefully, but the result you will see, it turned out really nice. But yeah, there is no harm in trying. For my hair, I'm just going to wear an old wig cap, but I fix it in a way that looks very natural. So keep on watching, you'll see how I did it. Guys, here's the finished look. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.